Sequences. Sequences is just a list of numbers in order that is either multiplying or dividing or adding or subtracting. Something's happening to it, like a times tables. Times tables, 2 times tables. That is a sequence. Each number in the sequence is called a term. A random sequence, there's no pattern at all, so it's not really a sequence, and it's all over the place. And we have to have a rule that defines this pattern. In this case, we're adding 2 to each term to get to the next one. Example 1. Generate a sequence of terms recursively. Recursively means one after the other. Write down the first 5 terms of the sequence with a starting value of 6 and the rule add 4 to each. Okay, so 6. I've got to add 4 to this one, because that's what it says, add 4 to each. Add 4 to 6, I get 10. Add 4 to this one, I get 14. Add 4 to this one, I get 18. Add 4 to this one, I get 22. So I have 6 numbers. They wanted 5, so I'll just write my answer 6, 10, that's third number, fourth number, fifth number, 22. Example 2, generating a sequence of terms. Says to write down the first 5 terms of the sequence with a starting value of 5 and the rule double the number and then subtract 3. Okay, so we're starting with 5. Here we go. First I've got to double the number, so that gives me 10, and then I've got to subtract 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Start the rule again. Double the number, 7 times 2, 14, take away 3 is 11. Double the number, 22. 22 minus 3, 19. Double the number, 38. 38 minus 3, 35. It says 5, I've got 5. So the sequence is 5, 7, 11, 19, 35. We can use a calculator, it will tell you on Inspire, to actually generate a sequence. First thing we do is we put in the starting value. So in this case it was 5. Put in the starting value and press enter. And then write your rule. So if we're doubling and then subtract 3, it's times 2 minus 3. This will be the word answer. Okay, because you're just going to hit enter to do it. And then it gives you the rule. And you just keep hitting enter until you want to stop. That's 8.